welcome back again. Today we are going to discuss about deferred expenses. Basically, these are prepaid expenses, often referred to as deferred expenses, are changes that have been, previously been incurred for goods and services that have not yet consumed. Such expenses are assets for the company that incurs then since it has already paid for goods and services that are still being delivered or utilized. Since the payments will be effectively expensed in the future, the company cannot include them on the present profit and loss statement or income statement. So these upcoming cost needs to be postponed on the balance sheet of the business until they can be recorded either all at once or over a certain period on the profit and loss statement. So let's see how deferred expenses can be managed in Odoo. So let us go to accounting module, configuration. Under that we have menu called deferred expense model. So here we can create new deferred expense model. Here we can define model name. So we are taking as insurance. Under depreciation methods, we can define number of recognitions either in years or month. We can also define competition period. Under the accounting information, we can define company if we have multi-company environment. We need to define deferred expense account. So if we do not have, we need to create that. So let's create new deferred expense account. We need to define code here. Type should be current assets. Under the automation tab, here we can see there are options, three options named automate deferred expense. So no, create in draft or either create and validate. Let's use at create in draft. Then save and close. Also, we need to define our expense account. So here we are choosing expense account. And you can see type should be expenses. Let us save this. This is how we can create deferred expense model. To register the deferred expense manually, we need to click on accounting menu. Under that we have a menu called submenu called deferred expenses. So we need to click on new. Here we can define deferred expense name. Again, I'm taking as a paid insurance here. Under the recognition values, we need to define original value of this expense. So we are taking as a $1,200. We can also define acquisition date, deferred expense model that we have created previously. So accounting information will be filled automatically based on that model. We are taking depreciation method duration of 12 months. Also computation as constant period and pro rata data. If we have analytical accounts, we can also define that. We can also define not a depreciable value. Just need to save this and click on compute expense. So expense board will be popped up and we can see 12 entries for 12 months will be there. And we can just confirm it. You can see a new log will be there that deferred expense created and it is in running stage. This is how we can create it manually. Now let us see how we can register deferred expenses through a bill. So click on going to vendors, bills, and need to create new bill. Here, one example listed. Uh, you can say, let's say we have $1,200 at once. We are paying as an insurance. So we already pay the cost now, but haven't used service yet. So let us see how we can register it through a bill. You can see how to post an expense through right account to the. So select the account on the draft bill. On a draft bill, select and define that product which needs to be expensed. And then after confirmation, new tab will be there called deferred expense account. So let's see. Here I'm choosing a vendor. Take any product. In the account section, here in the account section, we need to choose deferred expense account that we have created previously. We can define the amount of expense. For example, we are taking as 12,000. Bill date is must and just confirm it. You can see a new button, deferred expenses will be there. All the information based on that vendor bill. Okay, so we need to define that expense model, then compute expense. New expense board will be there. Just need to confirm it, and it is in running stage. Entries will be there. So basically, accounting entries, we can say deferred expenses are handled by Odoo accounting by splitting them into many entries that are automatically uh, prepared in draft stage and then posted on a regular basis. Thank you.